kurwania ubukurumi kia EACC nigo kiaruru gukurira konene gucia asaba Kenya utarwaria aki ekerobono kurikwa kwa banyanyimbo gukageire guchaka bwangoiga
wetera soroboti ruaye mutendio monne kwekiombe kyo kurwana ubukurumi ya EACC orwa obose rwasomwa na boigo Eric Ngumbi nigo bonate begati ya Bible nigo bakonya chini bo cyabo wose gwetera emechango elio kuira abana babo banyarako baba gweta kwenyorera emirimo egento gigo ichania mono buna gotomanya murikito Debora Kerubo
Ekiombe gyo kurwania ubukurumi kia EACC nigo kiaruru gukurira konene gucia sabe Kenya gutarwaria ki ekerobono kurikwa kwa banyanyimbo gukageire guchaka bwangoiga gwetera sorobotiro yo muteneri bwe kiombe gyo kurwania ubukurumi nigo rwasomwa na Eric Ngumbi abwasate babuna igatia Bible nigo bakonya chini butyabo gusego kole emechango elio kolikia abana babo engana yabere yo goichania mono.
Yes, mass recruitments. The commission has received reports of parents and the guardians resorting to fundraising, selling family land, and sometimes exhausting life savings in great attempts to secure admission for their children by bribing public officials. The Commission reminds the public that bribery in police recruitment has the potential to undermine merit, competence and accountability, with consequences that extend beyond the individual recruit to the society that they eventually serve when they finally finish their training and are deployed in various functional areas to discharge police duty.
Ikiombe kyo nigo giakurira basae witanga kurwa saba kurumia bo bakobariere ira yo kubarika emirimo na kugikeria okorwa kwa maki asebona ate babuna amaki nigagusirio boene no boroso asense moyo kurikia abanyanyimbo Mahmud nigabori abayiboli nabasae wakorobote cia bisi cia EACC asebona babisabye bagucie kurikia abanyanyimbo baboriwe gutantira na koira maki.
That the commission urges the public to desist from any form of bribery in the upcoming recruitment process. Candidates should not offer any bribe, gift or other favors to influence the recruitment. And any such case of in the recruitment process immediately reported to EACC or other relevant authorities.
Ekiombe kyo nigo kiagenderete kuirania chibese cia Kenya icho cia Sirita State County na kuire getambekiro asaba kurumi asebono baruro gukurira konene gucia sonde bwensi yo gutumeka certificate chitari chiekene asebaratie kuirania engeria yabo.
That have been paid under illegal contracts, including tenders that have been awarded to individuals and entities through fraud and a conflict of interest. Supportive jurisprudence emerging from our courts is that where a tender is tainted with fraud, any public money that is paid pursuant thereto is recoverable in full, regardless of whether the work has been done.
Debora Kerubo, Nsoko TV.